Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Internet computer to participate in multi-chain day on July 8th. Internet computer to participate in this, right? Internet computer to do this and that. So internet computer, it's internet computer. An internet computer is finally pumping up, and internet computer is on a technical journey to go to the upside. So what has happened now is that, of course, you're at $9.4 the last time you actually touched 9.8, is that you have made your bull cross on the 4-hour time frame, and just like you made the bear cross and you were back testing the EMAs and got rejected and went down, right now it's the opposite. You're going to go up and back test these EMAs until you don't really make it up to this technical target. So I do think in July alone, in the next coming few days, we're looking for that $11 and go back up hopefully from there. So let's see how the monthly is also looking like, because it will be really interesting to see. So basically, if you do come up to $11 and you try to trade up to $11, that's going to be huge. And let's say ICP closes at $9.3 in July. That's also going to be a reversal candlestick to go back to the upside on the monthly time frame. And I always say this: when the foundations are strong, the lower time frames will actually be very, very volatile. They're going to move up very, very quickly as well. Getting back on the weekly as well, you can see that you're bullish engulfing here, and also this week so far is actually pretty green. You still have 5 days more to close, and hopefully in the next 5 days we make it up here. The next week we make it above, make 3 white soldiers, correct a little bit, and then continue even a little bit more higher. Okay, so this drop here is the fuel, is the petrol, is the gas to give ICP and help ICP to make another big impulsive move, because there's an old dialogue, and the elder people, like the older traders, say that the bigger the red, the greener the green is going to be. Okay, you're going to have bigger greens when you have big reds, of course, and this is so true. And imagine now that you had this very big red already, how big of green can we expect in the future? And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.